This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2008 GH Mazda 6 Classic hatch. Stock reference number 3860. This shape runs from the first month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. The left front door has one small dent. It's got a tidy side skirt. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand sill skirt in good condition. Right rear door has one small dent. Right power door mirror colour coded. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, rear seatbelt type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.